Hello everyone, welcome to AI Studio. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your own document scanner with the help of OpenCV. Let's get started. So here is already I make this project. In this video, we will learn how to make your project. Okay, so we will done this project with step by step. So first of all, what will I do? I will do I will write the code here. You can, first of all, you will see the output here. Okay. So here you can see that it is scanning your documents, but it's a blur. Okay. So first of all, what will we do? We will start this from the start, from the beginning. Okay. So first of all, what will we have to do? We will open our Jupyter notebook. Here is my Jupyter notebook. After that, when this will be open, I will open a new file from here, new Python file. Okay. So first of all, I will give him the name, which is the name of our project about the documents scanner. Okay. Let's rename this. Okay. Documents scanner. Press enter. After that, you will save your file. So first of all, what will I have to do? I will import my CV2. Import CV2. Let's make some insert some cells here. After that, I will import my numpy library as np. Okay. After that, I will define the image width, which is width. Let's say I am giving width image, which is equal to 640. Okay. Then I will define the height of the image, which is, let's suppose here it is height image, which is equal to 480. Okay. After that, I will capture the video from my webcam. So if you have more than one webcam, then you will write cv2 dot video capture. Here you can give the value. If you have more than one, then you can put the value of your webcam. Otherwise, if you have already you are using your laptop, then you will put 0 here. Okay. Then I will set the length and the width, which is cap dot set, which is equal to cap dot set. And here I will, let's say, give him the 3, and here the width of the image. Okay. After that, what will we have to do? We will copy this, and same we will do for the height of the image. Okay. Here I can write height, HEIGHT, and here it will be changing. So I will give him the 4. Okay. Now I will set the values cap dot set, and here let's say I will give him the 10 and 150 here. Okay. Now here I will define my pre-processing function here. Okay. Later on I will tell you why I am showing this. Okay. So I am defining a function of pre-processing. Pre-processing. Let's say it's about our original image. Okay. And here is the function. Now what I want to do, I convert my image into grayscale. So what will I do? I will convert my image gray, which is equal to cv2 dot cvt color, and here is our original image which we want to convert into grayscale. cv2 dot color underscore bgr to grayscale. Okay. After that, From this command, our image is converted into grayscale. Now here I will introduce the blur function here, which is image blur, which is equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur, and here which image, basically now our image is first converted into grayscale, so here I will not put the original image, I will give him the gray image. Okay, so that's why I am writing here the image gray, and here I will define the kernel, which is, let's say, 5 by 5. Okay, now basically 5 by 5 is the sign. Okay, now I will put the values of the sigma x, which is, let's say, 1. Okay, after that I will identify the edges or the corner point of my image, which we will find by the Kenny edge detector. So here I am introducing the image Kenny, which is equal to cv2 dot Kenny, and here we will use the blur image, so that's why I am writing image blur. Okay, now I will, let's say, give him the values, which is the values of kernel, which is 200 by 200, let's say. Okay, so what will we have to do? We will define our kernel first, which is equal to np dot ones, and here is 5 by 5, sorry. Okay, now what will we have to do? Basically, sometimes our edges are not very thin, and they are very thin, so that's why we want to make them thick. So that's why we will use the dilation function, which is image dilation, which is equal to cv2, and here is the erosion function, and cv2 dot erode. Here I will write image dilation, and here I will define the kernel, and here I will define the iteration. Okay, so iteration, which is equal to, let's say, I want 2 iteration here, so I will put 2 here. Okay, and now what will we have to do? We will write the threshold value, which is image threshold is equal to cv2 dot erode. Okay, so in the dilation function we will give him the command cv2 dot dilate, sorry for this. Now here erode function is used in threshold, so here I will write the image dilate. Okay, and now again the kernel, and here I will put the iteration, which is equal to 1. Let's say I am giving him the value of 1. Okay, now what will we have to do? We will return the image, which is our threshold, so that's why I will write here the return function, which is image threshold. Okay, so now I want to show here our function is completed. Now I want to show my image. Okay, so here I will give him the while command, while true. When it will be true, success. Okay, success image is equal to cap dot read. Okay, so here I will write. Now here I want to resize my original image, so that's why I am resizing my image, which is image is equal to cv2 dot resize, because we are resizing our image, so that's why I am using the resize command here. Which image we want to resize? I want to resize my original image, so that's why I will put here the original image. Now I will define the width and the height of the image. Okay, so let's say I will give him the command width of the image, and the height of the image, height of the image. Okay, so now what will we have to do? We will basically show our threshold image where it come from, image threshold, which is equal to, basically image threshold is the come from the pre-processing function. So that's why I am writing here pre-processing of the original image. Okay, so now I will show my uh, image by using the imshow function. So here I will write cv2 dot imshow function, and here the result, and I will write now here which image you will get from the pre-processing function. You will write here that image. So here I will get from the pre-processing function, which is the image threshold. So I am copying this image threshold and I will paste it here. Okay. After that, if cv2 dot, now I will put the wait key command here, which is 1. Okay, and it will be off by using the q command. Okay, 0 off is equal to ord, and here I will put the q button here to close my function. Okay, now here I will break. Okay, now we will run this code to see that our document scanner is working properly or not. So what will we have to do? We will uh, run this. Okay, so here you can see I am adjusting my camera. So here I am running this. Okay, here it will take some time. Okay, here it will show the np.1's invalid syntax. So I am correcting this. Let's see. Yes, here we will use the command. Okay, and I will put this. So now I think our function is correct. So I will rerun this function. Okay, here it is showing that your this is not, this is invalid syntax. Okay, let's just see. Yes, because we are not defining our kernel. So here I will put equal. Okay. So when I run this, now it's okay. So I will run this command and it shows that objects had no attribute. So I will rerun this again. Okay. Now let's see what will happen again. Okay. Here it is showing some error. cv2 dot object has no attribute read. So we will check this. Now we will again start from the beginning. Okay, now let's rerun this function, and I think so it will work here. Okay, now I it's working, but it shows that image died reference before the assignment. Okay, now we will check this, remove this error. Now we will run this again after removing the error. Okay, now what we will see what will happen. Okay, now just wait, and here you can see that this is your documents. I Let's give me a minute to adjust my camera. Okay, now here you can see that it is scanning your documents when the documents is in front of it, and it is scanning your documents. Okay, so I think this is the first part of it. Okay, in the second part we will tell you how you will uh, how you will use the ref function, okay, to study your documents. And we will make this video in the second part, okay. So at that time, keep watching the AI studio, and thank you very much.